Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix location is not available error in Windows 11 or 10. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your file explorer, then you need to go to this PC, then select disk C. On disk C you need to go to Windows, then look for System32 folder. Then on System32 you need to scroll down until you see a folder named config, right? So you just need to look for config. Click on it, then you need to look for system profile, and then you should see app data here. And on this place, you just need to right click on it, then select new folder and name it desktop, okay? And then restart your computer, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to your PC, look for your drive, primary drive, then you need to go to properties, and on properties, you need to go to a tools, and then basically check if there is no errors and scan drive and look if there is no error with your disk. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.